Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this gym motivation video on TikTok. So if you're getting ready for summer and you want to get motivated by transforming your picture into a slim version of yourself, then let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So here you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available in your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In TikTok, you're searching for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as that filter will appear right here for you to use. For now, I'll just go ahead and use it from my favorites. So this is the video you're going to use. So you have a not so fit version of yourself and then you transform yourself into a fit version. So go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now go ahead and tap on Use Template again. Go ahead and find a picture of yourself. Now let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it some time. And there you go guys, the CapCut AI effect has been applied to your photo. Now once you're happy with this, tap Export at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video to TikTok. Now you want to go ahead and tap Next, add your captions, edit your cover. Now go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. Now for those of you who are trying to find this filter, you need to just go ahead and open up TikTok, navigate to find this account, Test the Simple Dad. On the video section here, you'll see AI Gym Slim Filter. Tap on it and then go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template, and then you'll be able to use that filter. So there you go guys, that is how to create the skinny gym filter trend video on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.